Is it the right time to buy or sell Marathon Patent stock? In this video, we will be delving deep into Marathon Patent. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, February 12, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis, ensuring you don't miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. You can tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. On February 8, 2024, our system identified Marathon Patent as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 2.83. Now let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. If you followed our analysis, you would have experienced an impressive gain of 26.41% since we first listed Marathon Patent as a buy candidate just 3 days ago. This translates to an average daily return of 8.8% since it was identified as a buy candidate. The stock is currently in the middle of a strong upward trend, indicating a potential further rise. Based on the 3-month trend, there is a projected 38.02% change in the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from -11.68% to 82.79%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a projected 49.68% change over the next year, with potential returns ranging from -39.29% to 77.79%. This means the stock could reach a price range of $16.56 to $48.50 within a year. Our latest update on Marathon Patent reveals high volatility in its stock price on Monday, which ended trading at $27.28. On the last trading day, Marathon Patent stock price experienced a gain of 14.19%. It rose from $23.89 to $27.28. This marks the 5th consecutive day of gains. It will be interesting to observe if this upward trend continues or if there will be a minor pause in the coming days. Throughout the day, the stock price fluctuated by 16.74%, reaching a low of $23.60 and a high of $27.55. Over the past 2 weeks, the price has increased by 47.3%, with gains recorded in 6 out of the last 10 days. On the last trading day, the volume of shares traded decreased by 15 million, with a total of 101 million shares bought and sold, amounting to approximately $2.75 billion. It is important to note that a decrease in volume accompanied by rising prices may indicate divergence and serve as an early warning for possible changes in the next few days. Looking at the past 52 weeks, Marathon Patent stock reached a high of $31.30 and a low of $5.13. Currently, the price is 12.84% or $4.02 below the 52-week high. Furthermore, it is 67.31% or $56.17 below the all-time high recorded on November 9, 2021, when it reached $83.45. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, January 17, 2024, BTIG upgraded Mara with a buy grade. On Friday, September 23, 2022, BTIG downgraded Mara with a neutral grade. On Thursday, August 11, 2022, Jefferies upgraded Mara with a buy grade. On Tuesday, July 12, 2022, B. Riley Securities gave Mara a neutral grade. On Friday, June 24, 2022, Cowen and Company initiated coverage on Mara with a market perform grade. According to analysts, Marathon Patent stock has been given a general buy rating. The PE ratio and price-to-book ratios are both rated as strong buy. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a strong buy rating. Let's take a look at the signals for Marathon Patent. The Marathon Patent stock is showing positive buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a favorable forecast. However, there is a general sell signal due to the relation between these two signals, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average. In case of downward corrections, the stock may find support at $20.31 and $21.19. Should it break below these levels, sell signals would be issued. On the other hand, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. Despite prices rising, volume decreased during the last trading day. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which could serve as an early warning. Therefore, it is important to closely monitor the stock. Additionally, some negative signals have also emerged, which could impact its short-term development. A sell signal was triggered by a pivot top point on Wednesday, December 27, 2023, resulting in a 12.2% decline. Further decline is anticipated until a new bottom pivot is identified. Today, let's explore some interesting signals that can help guide your investment decisions. The Moving Average Convergence Divergence Indicator suggests a buy signal. Pivots indicate a sell signal 32 days ago. Bollinger Bands show a buy signal 57 days ago. The short-term moving average indicates a buy signal 4 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average also suggests a buy signal 4 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal 18 days ago. Now, let's take a closer look at the 12-month chart. The short moving average indicates a buy signal 4 days ago. The long-term moving average also suggests a buy signal 53 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal 46 days ago. If you're interested in discovering more signals, make sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Today, let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Marathon Patent. When it comes to support levels, the stock currently finds support just below today's level at $25.63 and $23.49 due to accumulated volume. However, it's important to be aware of the risk involved when a stock tests a support level. If the support is broken, the stock may potentially fall to the next support level. In this case, if $25.63 is broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $23.49 and $22.40. It's worth noting that Marathon Patent is considered a high-risk stock due to its volatility. The stock has the potential to experience significant movement throughout the day. Additionally, the Bollinger Band indicates a large prediction interval for this stock. Looking at the recent performance, the stock had a price range of $3.95 between its high and low, which accounts for a 16.74% difference. Over the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 16.28%. Before we discuss potential trading levels for Marathon Patent, let's go over some important fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio is a key indicator of a company's current share price compared to its per-share earnings. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is losing money. It's common for established companies to face periods of decline due to external factors. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. Now, moving on to other news, the next earnings report for Q4 2023 is expected to be released on March 21, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for the earnings stand at $0.0500. It's important to keep an eye on these figures as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, we'll be diving into potential day trading levels for Marathon Patent. If we see an upward trend, the first resistance level for Marathon Patent is at $28.11. If you don't currently own any shares, it might be wise to wait until this level is breached before considering a new position. However, for those who already hold the stock, this could be an interesting level to keep in mind for swing trading opportunities. Now, let's explore the downside. Marathon Patent encounters its first support level at $25.63. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, potentially indicating a rebound in the stock's price. Marathon Patent has received a buy rating from multiple analyst sources. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. On January 31, 2024, Whistle said purchased 62,317 shares of common stock. On January 31, 2024, Whistle said sold 31,158 shares of common stock. On January 31, 2024, SWIC Adam Michael purchased 285,924 shares of common stock. On January 31, 2024, Loop JP purchased 62,317 shares of common stock. On January 31, 2024, Crawford James purchased 294,501 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power is positive with a ratio of 80.224. In total, insiders have bought 6,322,631 shares and sold 852,804 shares in the last 100 trades. We recommend setting the stop loss for this stock at $25.95, which represents a decrease of 4.86%. This particular stock experiences significant daily movements, which in turn increases the level of risk involved. Additionally, the RSI 14 indicator is currently at 82, further elevating the risk associated with this investment. Furthermore, we have identified a sell signal from a pivot top that was observed 31 days ago. Is Marathon Patent stock a good buy? Based on several short-term signals and a positive overall trend, there is a fair chance for Marathon Patent stock to perform well in the short term, indicating a potential buying opportunity. However, it's important to note that our analysis shows the current price to be overvalued, considering the volatility and movements observed in the last trading day. For trading on Tuesday, February 13th, we expect Marathon Patent to open down -$1.14 and start trading at $26.14. Before we begin, it's important to note that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. As a precautionary measure, we strongly advise consulting a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Please remember that StockInvest.us serves solely as an information resource and should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we'll be discussing our current view of the stock. We value your opinion, so please share your thoughts by commenting below. We're also curious to know what your target for the stock is. Remember to like and subscribe to stay updated with our future content. Our team wishes you successful trading and a beautiful day. Thank you for joining us.